How to add a link in your bio on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a link in your bio on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open up TikTok on your mobile phone, and then what you have to do is you will simply go to your profile right here. So this is my profile, and you can see I can add a bio. Now if you have a business account, you will actually get an option of adding a link on your profile. But if you have a simple account, like a private account, then we will have to do it ourselves. So you just have to click on edit profile, and you can see it will take you to your username, your name, and then we have bio right here. So I'm going to click on bio, and we can add anything in our bio. So that's what you need to do. Just copy the URL, copy the link you want to add of your maybe Snapchat, of your website, of your any other social media. So just copy the link and paste it in your bio right here and click on save, and hopefully it will work. Other than that, if you have a business account, then you can again go to edit profile, and it actually gives you an option to add your website. But when it comes to adding a social, so we can add our profiles directly. So you can see we have social and Instagram. So let's say I want to attach my Instagram to my TikTok. So I can just click on Instagram, and it will allow me to connect my profile directly. So I don't even have to add a link for YouTube and Instagram. But if it's a website or any other platform, you can add the link in bio, just clicking right here and pasting it. Or if it's a business account, you will get the separate option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.